So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make last minute snack for a party time. So this is chocolate dessert. It is full of chocolate, so let's get started. For that we need 1 cup of water, which should be 150 ml. Then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla custard powder. You can take any custard powder which you need and which you like. This is very fully optional. I take it for consistency. And yeah, remember this, you have to do this on low gas once your water is boiled. Then you need to add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Then you need to add 2 teaspoons of milk powder or half cup of milk. Then you need to mix it well. And then you need to add 1 cup of milk in it. And then you have to whisk it. So I make it for my friends to make our evening better and to make our evening with fun. Then I take 5 cups, and then I take these Kellogg's chocofills. You can take any chocos also, but it contains chocolate inside it, that's why I take these chocofills. Then I take this Oreo. I make them parts in the whole 5 box, and then I add this hot chocolate which we made before. As you can see this, I'm equally adding in all. And then I add this munch chocolate. You can add any chocolate which you prefer. I add half of in all. And then I add this full bloom wafer chocolate. You can add any chocolate which you like. This is of chocolate flavor. And yeah, I add this last one for garnishing, Hershey syrup. So enjoy and do like, and bye bye guys. And yeah, one important thing, thanks for watching, and please do like, subscribe and comment and hit the bell icon. Bye.